Let's see the process of making V-bottom paper covers and square bottom paper bags. To make V-bottom paper covers, the operation is fully automatic. Here gluing for center and side pasting are happening. This is the cutting part. And this is the bottom pasting part. The end product will come from the machine itself. To make SOS paper covers, the side pasting and cutting parts are the same as V-bottom paper covers. We will idle the bottom paste and will take as paper tube. Next is bottom creasing using the creasing machine. Then manual square bottom folding and pasting are done. If needed, handle can be pasted manually using ready-made paper handle.